What's happening, guys? It's myself, Ruff Fusion, and welcome back to another unboxing video. So I've not even done one of these in quite a while, I should say, but I've managed to come across with this thing. So if you're all wondering why do I keep buying phones, it's because I've got a fascination in just like collecting gadgets and stuff like that, and just having a display of them, of course, by the way. So just have to say thank you so much for the recent support that's been going on the channel, and especially through the live streams when I was playing Minecraft, Super Mario Maker 2, Animal Crossing, and the other stuff that I do on the channel. So what I do on the channel is post stuff about my autism and mental health, things to do with unboxes, some of the geeky stuff like trading cards, if I come across with any, or what else. So I do Let's Plays, and obviously live streams as well. So if that's your cup of tea or anything, feel free to subscribe if you're new to the channel, by the way, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. So anyway, guys, so this one is the Moto E7i. So looking at this, it's got a 5 milliamp battery, 6.5 HD max vision display, 13 megapixel dual camera system, and macro vision. Oh, okay, I don't even know what macro vision it is. And this one comes in a light blue, but if you're wondering where I got this from, I actually got this from Argos for 84 UK pounds and 99 pence. So the price on it has really caught my eye, so I thought I'd just pick it up because it's quite reasonable, guys. But I'm really impressed with the battery life on it. But you know what, I can't even say that because I've not even opened it. So let's just get into this, guys. Let's go. And don't forget, you can always join my Discord server if you want to be part of the community and if you want to keep in touch on what's going on. You know, so first of all, we got in here, we've actually got the phone itself. But my God, it actually feels a bit heavy, but I'm really, really impressed with its feel of it. So got the flash, we got the two cameras at the back. And then we got the mono speaker, but I don't know what it's like. So yeah, let's just see what the other bits are. Oh my God, I'm just like struggling to open this because it's a bit of a battle. So we got the SIM card, an SD card tray pin, the key for it, and this is the user manual. What else is in here? Okay, so we got the USB cable. So it's a USB Type-C, and we got the standard UK wall charger. But there's one thing that I've actually missed out, is the actual specs. So let's just have a look at this. If I can just get my camera right, my focus right, I should say. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Come on, don't play up on me. Don't. No, 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 no. What am I thinking? It's a Let's Play or what? Oh, come on, don't. Please, please, don't even make me rage. Don't make me rage, please. Okay, so it's got 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigabytes of internal memory. So it's a Tahiti Blue, and the type is MC393. And the approximate available storage is 25 gigabytes. And okay, so not just that, please, 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 whatever you do, please do not make any memes out of it, because I've already got plenty of memes throughout the amazing community of this channel. So yeah, be prepared for some Ruff Fusion memes. So let's just turn this thing on. So how do I even power this thing on? So these are, where's the volume buttons? Oh, they're on the right here. I don't know what this top one is, but let's see if this thing will just work. Okay, I feel a vibration now. Yeah, so if you don't want to spend much or anything and you want this to game on, I think this will be an absolute good choice. But I don't know what the gaming performance will be like on it, but I can... Oh, she sounds a bit hot though. Okay. Right, how am I supposed to see anything with this thing on? Okay, so we've got the nice flashy blue Motorola logo. It's kind of making me want to go into a different world. So, is this going to be a portal or what? I don't know. Yeah, so we go on to English, United Kingdom. Connect to a mobile network. No, I don't want to connect to a Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi, whatever it is. Or else, I don't want... The only things that's going to be connected to Wi-Fi is... Please do not even spam up chickens. Don't put chickens in my live chat or in my comments. So I'm going to say set up offline. And just a huge shout out to those who have shown a huge support to this amazing community. But okay, there goes the focus again. Oh god, come on. Come on. I don't even know why I'm doing this, because I'm actually thinking this is a live stream, but it's not a live stream. Oh, come on, focus. What are you doing? Ah, there we go. Silly me. Yes, that's even more like it. Right, why isn't this happening? Okay, what did I just do? We go on to next. Okay, use location. No, turn everything off. Go on accept. No, I don't want to set up a screen lock just yet. No, I'm going to skip that. Okay, about your privacy, accept and continue. No. Okay, I'm going to set that up later. Okay. Grant location permission? No. Or else, this whole thing is going to be compass. Freaking hell, that scared me. It's not exactly Outlast. It's a freaking phone. Oh my goodness. How do I bring the menu? This is to bring the menu up. And what's this here? Apps update already. So I've only just powered this thing up, and even look at it, it's just nothing on here. Just basic. So it's actually got the Facebook Lite app on it. It's got the YouTube app, and the other thing is, that's it. I don't even know what Google Go is. So let's just have a look at this, see what storage there is. Yeah, the box was absolutely right. So there's 25 gigabytes of additional space. So obviously, operating system would actually use some of the internal memory for the phone to work. Okay, so let's see what it's got on it. So it's using the latest Android 10. Wow, which is so really good. And then obviously 2 gigs of RAM, which I did say. But yeah, if you want to see any gaming performances or anything on this phone, I'll do that in the next video. And if this is just an unboxing of it, but I will do some performance test on it. Like, I will test out some of the intense, heavy graphical, not graphical as in like gore, heavy intense AAA games that are for Android. So I will do a test on this in another video, guys. So let me know in the comments if you want me to do that. Anyways, so I just have to leave it at that. Take care, guys, and I'll see you all soon. Peace. And don't forget to join the live streams, join the Discord if you want to be part of the community, because we are such a great growing channel, and we've just passed 1.5 thousand subscribers, and I really could not even thank you guys for the amazing support. Yeah, and I just really couldn't wait to see where this channel goes to. But yeah, we're on the way to building the best Ruff Fusion community ever. So thank you guys so much. Take care of yourselves. And don't forget, obviously I'm not the best at the gaming, but I do my best to entertain everyone with such great humor. So take care, everyone. Peace.